This is super dangerous. Running into here, and it just flows like a little whitewater center. All right. Today, I didn't film anything in the morning. It's like 1 o'clock now almost. And the rain is finally steadily pouring. It's not really a downpour like it was on our inspection day, which you guys really don't know about, but
well, this is
more
it, babe.
This is more steady than more pouring, I'd say.
Wow.
It's more rain per hour. That was like a straight downpour in a short amount of time. So you guys want to see what the front yard looks like? Here we go. So that's nothing new. You guys saw that the other day, but that's just the river from the driveway. And then their yard turns into a river. And we've got a big old sewer grate right over there that flows into our little creek. The lens is fogging up. But I'm gonna take you guys for a walk so you can see what's really going on over there.
I'm gonna take the baby?
Yeah.
Come here, sweetie.
All right, here we go. So this is where we tell the kids to stay away. This is super dangerous. Running into here, and it just flows like a little whitewater center. And you can see my little French drain working, dumping out. Ooh, lots of branches fell. This is where I was digging yesterday. That's why that is puddling like that, but I should have grabbed an umbrella. I'm gonna go grab an umbrella. All right, that's better. Now we won't get soaked. And you can see it really flows crazy down here. But it's not making it up the hill, so that's good. It drains pretty well over here, nothing really puddling. In our backyard, this is pretty good. I got it straight into a French drain that goes under. It's not a French drain, it's just a buried drain. And nothing's really puddling back over here where we were worried about, so that's good. The sandbags are keeping it, for the most part, dry. But up here by our air conditioner, this is brand new. We had this installed the first week we were living here. It kind of puddles right here, but it looks like it stops before it gets too close to the basement or the crawl space. So that's good. Let's go walk in the backyard. So this is what we cut down the other day, and that thing we laid on its side, pretty much expecting it to be really bad, but it wasn't. I got a little spider friend in here. But we haven't had much damage back here at all. I mean, the normal little flooding, and all of those trees were pretty much down. Back in that corner, that tree has been down. The only new branches that I saw are over here. All of these branches, little twigs, and then this is the biggest branch from the winds that we had. So not too bad at all. All of those branches were there. That was like a burn pile. But as you can see, now we're on the other side of the house, and all of this is filling up. And don't mind the tires and all the trash that was left here for us by the previous owners. Thank you. So up here we're on the side of the garage, and this is the other river. Not too bad, just flows down and catches in that puddle down there. So we're safe. Around the house it's been pretty minimal. Some puddling right here by these marble slabs or granite slabs. The driveway is staying good and clear. Our neighbor's yard, this is where all that water comes from. So they got a river here, and then this little creek on the sides of the road. It all flows into the sewer here. And it really flows. This is super dangerous. Crazy. But our house is staying dry, guys. We're super thankful for that. Sunday afternoon, that's when all the rain started. The Weather Channel thought it was supposed to be here Friday night, and now it's Sunday afternoon and it just started raining bad. So we're super thankful. I mean, if our house can stay dry through a storm like this, then I think we're gonna be okay for years and years to come. Just gotta maintain it. Just gotta maintain it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all the dirt that I dug up though. All that dirt I'm probably gonna put in places where it floods to maybe regrade the yard. I don't know, maybe, we'll see. But pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed that little tour of our yard and all the flood prone areas. Our house is a super low risk for flooding, so if we ever needed flood insurance, which we didn't buy when we bought the house, then hopefully it won't be too expensive because we're a low, very low risk. Maybe they took into account all the drainage that happens here. Sorry, the white balance is really jacked up, but all right, I'm going in. My feet are wet. What are you up to, baby?
Don't start it.
What are you up to, baby?
This one. Eating this one. The cookie. Cookie that my mom gave me.
Oh, for what?
For a good behavior.
Good behavior.
Yeah.
And going potty. In the toilet.
Wow.
And because it was a hurricane. And because I wanted one.
And being brave.
Yeah, you're brave too.
Yeah, from the mountain that we climbed.
Right.
All right. Rain is finally done. Flooding is slowly dissipating and going wherever it goes when it stops raining. We're all in the house. We've been watching shows all day. A whole lot of nothing. I made dinner. We cleaned it up. And we're getting ready for bed. So that was our hurricane experience turned tropical storm turned tropical depression. We had it good compared to the east side of the Carolinas. So
And
there,
even East Charlotte.
I mean, there's flooding around
Bad flooding.
around the area. There's bad flooding around like Charlotte and all that, but
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
still nothing in comparison to what the east side of the states experienced. Hopefully everybody's okay over there, other than obviously the 11 to 14 people or something that died in the storm. That's crazy.
Did
So
you know Gabby?
I do. I do.
And Amelia?
Yeah, those are our cousins.
They're my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, forever.
All right, so with that, we are going to end it here. I don't know if the daily vlogs will presume? I don't know if the daily vlogs will resume because I go back to work Monday through Friday. And it's normal schedule, so it's really hard for us to vlog on the daily, and Kristen is super busy at home on the daily with these two wild ones.
I'm going to Gabby and Millie house.
Yeah, in 2 weeks. Pretty much, kind of, maybe 3. So,
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
we'll see you in the next one. Let's do that again. So,
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next one. Bye.
bye.